The Crispin team of Keller Williams Realty Branson, Missouri would like to present to you this property. For more information call 417-335-3109. You are going to love this 3-bedroom/3.5-bath condo at Mystic Bay. This condo features over 1,900 square feet and a floor plan that everyone loves. You'll find 9 ceilings, a fireplace, and a huge deck which adds even more living space. You'll love the neutral decor and easy accessibility since it's walk-in level. There's also elevators that will take you to the docks so you don't have to deal with steps at all. The kitchen is lovely with granite countertops and stainless appliances. The master bedroom is lakefront and features access to the deck and a walk-in closet, and the master bath has a walk-in shower, jetted tub and dual vanities. The condo comes beautifully furnished, and also includes a 10 by 30 slip, lift, garage and reserved carport. Mystic Bay is a gated condominium complex which has a waterfront pool. Everything you need in a location that's ideal by boat or car. Make your appointment to see it today. Condos like this one don't last long.